Hi, to set up Hotspot on your POCO X7, first thing first, we need to open settings and from here choose more connectivity options. After that, first thing you can see is portable hotspot, so choose it and select to set it up. So firstly, we can rename it. We can also change password, so let's do it. I'm gonna delete this old one. Now we need to create something at least 8 characters long, so let me just enter from 1 to 8. Now we got two options for security, so this will help protect your network from unauthorized access, so you can choose one of those two options. This one is default, and you can choose to hide the name of your hotspot, but it's not really convenient, so let's leave it that way and save the changes. After that, you can also go in one-time data limit and enable it if needed. Now let's go back. Here we can also enable to turn off hotspot automatically. I suggest you to enable this option so your battery won't be drained quickly. You can also disable or enable some of the features, and we can go in connected devices and set limit of connected devices. So you can set limit of 2 connected devices, for example, and now the third person won't be able to connect to your network. Now we can also enable it by tapping on the switcher and you'll see information hotspot is on. So we can also swipe down from the upper right corner and find hotspot in this list of control center. You can find it either in system toggles or in app toggles or just in your control center. And here it is, just tap the plus to add to your control center, and now when you see that it is blue, then it is enabled, and if you tap it again, it would be disabled. Now let me show you how it works. So on your other device, open settings, choose Wi-Fi and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now in this networks list, you should find your POCO X7, tap it, enter password for this network, and then tap this button join. And after that, you would see that you are now joined to this network. So when you are done using hotspot, don't forget to turn it off by tapping this icon, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.